Say something.
Say something.
What's up, guys? So I haven't posted a video in a long time, and that's because of school and other life matters. But today I'm here with my buddy Brian. We call him the Banana Man, and we're gonna be installing a very nice Carbon Creations carbon fiber hood for his 2015 WRX. So it's right here. We're gonna weigh this bad boy pretty soon. As you can see, it's legit. And this is his WRX. Full of dank memes and shit. So we have some chips, but we're gonna get rid of that. So you ready, man?
Ready?
Alrighty. Oh, it's a doggo. Hello, doggo. I am recording. Recording this whole process, my friend. I think we're good, man. Maybe kind of like.
This is difficult.
Use the force. There we go.
Ooh. I'm in a YouTube video.
Got nice instructions, not in Japanese. Imagine it's just Japanese. It's just full-fledged Japanese. Alrighty. Dude, this is freaking amazing. Holy crap. It looks freaking nice, bro. Good job, found it. Good job. Alright, so we're not gonna go too in depth on like the procedure of how to put this thing on. It's basically just 4 bolts, right?
Yeah. 4 bolts on the side, 2 on top.
Okay, so we're just gonna take those off real quick. We'll do a little time lapse, and then we're gonna try to weigh the stock hood, see how much it weighs. I don't think our scale will reach, but I know for a fact that this hood that we have going in is gonna be able to be read on the scale. So we'll do that after, and yeah, let's get to it. Before and after you and the guy she tells you not to worry about. So we have the stock hood on the scale, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is right at 22 pounds, just about. So I don't understand this sorcery that we just stumbled upon. When we weighed the carbon fiber hood and all the wrapping and stuff, it came out to like 15-16 pounds, but now it's a steady 21. So you saved 1 pound, buddy. So we just finished putting this thing on, and as you can see, it looks great. And my phone just died. Anyways, man, dude, this thing looks sick. Holy crap. Dude, that's sick. It's dessert. Alright guys, so we got the hood in. We're all finished for the night. It's looking freaking spectacular. We have my buddy in his new ride over here, and he's apparently Snapchatting me. But as you can see, it looks freaking awesome. I think I might do a hood install video in the future. I'm not sure. Maybe a trunk. I'm not sure. He inspired me to it. So I don't know what I'm going to do in the future. We might have a little FRS Subaru meet. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw today. And if you guys don't mind, give it a like, subscribe, whatever. I'll put a little thumbnail for my other videos up there in the corner somewhere. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And like always, stay blessed. This dude legit has throwing knives. Psych.